iPhone 11 though, hey? Isn't this cool? You get to see so much more of my condo now. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and smash button for more videos. Sorry I haven't been posting too much, just been creating on other platforms. But yeah, if you like this video, again, don't forget to show some love. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Lovers.